Practice makes a man perfect. The more you listen, read, write, and learn, better it is for you today and forever. Hello, dear students of class 4. I hope all of you are keeping good. Children, you all must have seen the first term syllabus. As per the syllabus, we have covered the chapters for first term. So today, let's do the revision. We are going to revise the lengthy and an important unit of first term. The unit is Stay Away from Illness. Open your books to page number 14, activity time. Children, listen the words properly, read and write them properly for your practice and learn the answers as well as spellings properly. Let's start. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. A. How can one keep his or her body fit? How can one keep his or her body fit? Answer is point number 1, doing exercise. Doing, D-O-I-N-G, doing, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise, full stop. Number 2, eating balanced diet. Eating balanced diet. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating, B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced, D-I-E-T, diet. Number 3, drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses of water, W-A-T-E-R, water, full stop. Number 4, avoiding junk food. A-V-O-I-D-I-N-G, avoiding, J-U-N-K-F-O-O-D, food, full stop. Part B, name few threats to our life. Name a few threats to our health. Number 1, lack of cleanliness. Lack, L-A-C-K, lack of cleanly, C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S, cleanliness. Number 2, eating trendy food. Eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating, T-R-E-N-D-Y, trendy food, F-O-O-D, food. Number 3, lack of rest. Lack of rest, L-A-C-K, lack, R-E-S-T, rest, full stop. Number 4, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping, B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, break, fast, full stop. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Part A, a healthy body determines the dash of a person. Future, F-U-T-U-R-E, F-U-T-U-R-E, future. B, a sick student cannot concentrate on studies. S-T-U-D-I-E-S, studies. 3, C part, health greatly depends on what we eat. E-A-T. Health greatly depends on what we eat. First is future, second is studies, last is eat. Write true or false. Number 3, write true or false. Part A, skipping breakfast is good for health. Skipping breakfast is good for health. False, F-A-L-S-E. Part B, we can have trendy food every day. False. We can have trendy food every day. False. C, the evening meal should be light. True. The evening meal should be light. True. D, supper time is a chance to share and talk. True. Supper time is a chance to share and talk. True. First is false, second is false, third is true, fourth is also true. Turn to page number 15. Page number 15. All of you must be having bicycles and you must be going for a cycling daily. But there are certain safety measures while cycling. We will learn them through the quiz. Let's start. Number 1. When should we check air, brake and chain of a bicycle? I am just telling you the answers. You have to tick them. When should we check air, brake and chain of a bicycle? Tick the last one. Each time we start. Each time we start. Number 2. When do we need to wear a bicycle helmet? When do we need to wear a bicycle helmet? First one, tick the first one. Every time we ride. Every time we ride. 3. Why should we wear bright clothes like yellow or orange while riding a bicycle? Why should we wear bright clothes like yellow or orange when riding a bicycle? It's the second one. To help drivers see us. To help drivers see us. Number 4. Which side of the road do we ride on? Which side of the road do we ride on? Second one, left side. Left side. Number 5. When do we need to be extra careful and look for vehicles that might be coming? When do we need to be extra careful and look for vehicles that might be coming? Number 1, when crossing. Number 1, when crossing. Number 6 is, we are behind some people who are walking. How can we let them know we want to pass them? We are behind some people who are walking. How can we let them know we want to pass them? Second one, ring the bell. Ring the bell. Number 7, which is safer, riding in a straight line or moving left and right? Which is safer, riding in a straight line or moving left and right? Take the first one. Take first one. Number 8, when should we obey traffic rules? When should we obey traffic rules? Always. First one, we should obey traffic rules always. I hope today we all have understood that there are some safety measures to ride a bicycle. Students, now move to page number 11. Page number 11. On the bottom of the page, we will write moral of the unit. Moral of the unit. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Extra questions of Unit 3. Question number 1. What happens when we are not well? Question mark. What happens when we are not well? Answer is, we will not be able to perform our duties. We will not be able to perform our duties. W-E-V-W-I-L-L, well, N-O-T, not, B-E-B, able, A-B-L-E, able, T-O-2, P-E-R-F-O-R-M, perform, our, O-U-R, our, duties, D-U-T-I-E-S, duties, full stop. We will not be able to perform our duties. Question number 2. Write 5 healthy rules. Write 5 healthy rules, full stop. Point number 1. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. E-A-T, eat. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. F-O-O-D, food. Number 2. Drink enough water, full stop. Drink enough water. D-R-I-N-K, drink, E-N-O-U-G-H, W-A-T-E-R, water, drink enough water, full stop. Number 3, do regular exercise. Do regular exercise, D-O, do. R-E-G-U-L-A-R, regular, R-E-G-U-L-A-R, regular exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, do regular exercise, full stop. Number 4, keep your surroundings neat and clean. K-E-E-P, keep, Y-O-U-R, your surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S, surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S, surroundings, neat, N-E-A-T, and A-N-D, and clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean, full stop. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. Number 5, avoid trendy foods, full stop. Avoid trendy foods, A-V-O-I-D, avoid, T-R-E-N-D-Y, trendy, F-O-O-D-S, foods, avoid trendy foods. Question number 3, why is it important to have breakfast? Question mark. Why is it important to have breakfast? Question mark. Answer is, it helps us to stay active. It helps us to stay active. IT8, HELPS, helps. US, us. TO2, STAY, stay. Active, 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 full stop. It helps us to stay active. Last question, number 4. What should we have for lunch? What should we have for lunch? Answer 4. We can have rice, chapati or sandwiches, full stop. We can have rice, chapati or sandwiches, full stop. WEVCAN, can, HAVE, have, RICE, rice, comma, chapati, CHAPPATI, CHAPPATI, chapati, or sandwiches, SAND, sand, WICHES, sandwiches, SANDWICHES, sandwiches. Finally, we have completed our Unit 3. Do the thorough reading of the lesson, as questions can be set from within the unit also. Children, with this we have completed our revision of Unit 3. Stay away from illness. Practice and learn it thoroughly, as questions can come from within the unit as well as back exercises. Learn the extra questions, learn the morals properly. Take care. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.